Traveling by air has become as simple as hopping into your car and driving off. But, then we forget the hazards that come with the benefits of air travel. Let us take an insight into some of those hazards that start right from the moment we enter the terminal till we walk out of the airplane. The use of full-body scanners has led to increased radiation risk that could inadvertently be the cause of skin cancer. As the radiation from this full-body scanner is at low energy level, concentrating mostly on the skin and the underlying tissue, there is always a risk of skin cancer. In fact, the dose of radiation is almost 20 times more than the actual estimate. While airports do place emphasis on the cleanliness, they do a bad job of it due to the heavy traffic flow. Our health is at risk due to these unhygienic conditions. Due to the enclosed space, travelers are at a risk to catch viruses about 100 times easier than the outside environment. Transport safety records mention that mid-air turbulence that could be caused due to any reason seem to be the cause of serious injuries to travelers that leads to head trauma and broken bones every year. Again, when flying for a longer duration, travelers are exposed to this toxic air that could lead to several illnesses of the respiratory system and the neurologic system, and also cause headache and drowsiness. Investigations have proven the fact that many popular airlines have toxins at a high level. Due to the changes in air pressure, and the imbalance in the ear pressure and the surrounding pressure, ears could suffer major damage, including pain, bleeding in the ears, and, in extreme situations, rupture of the eardrum. Air travel has been the cause of an increase in DVT or deep vein thrombosis in the legs specifically. Studies have proven that almost a threefold increased risk of blood clots was seen in patients who mostly traveled by air. It would prove fatal to the patient if these clots travel to the lungs, as seen in longer travel duration. Due to the enclosed space, travelers are at a risk to catch viruses about 100 times easier than the outside environment. Due to midair turbulence or simple cases of cabin lockers opening up during midair, many travelers are prone to injuries right from minor cuts/bruises to severe trauma to the head. Although rare, the radiation from lightning is equivalent to 400 times a chest X-ray taken, which is not a matter to be brushed away.